مرحبا، أهلا وسهلا بكم في الطبخ السعودي مرة تانية مع إيمان. Hello everybody, welcome to another episode Saudi Food with Iman. Today I'll be making a very interesting recipe. Based on many of your requests, I'm gonna show you how to make it today. So today we're gonna be making Arabic coffee. Most of you have asked me to do this dish so many times, and finally I have come to make it for you guys today. Arabic coffee is very popular in Saudi Arabia. You can also find Arabic coffee found in the Middle East and most of the countries like Emirates and Kuwait and Qatar and Oman. But each of these regions, they have their own interesting way how they make it with different flavors. But the concept is pretty much the same. So I hope you guys have been really active in making some of my dishes on YouTube. And if so, please send me your videos and pictures and I'll make sure I'll post it in my next episode. Are you guys ready to do another Saudi dish with Iman? Yalla! So what we're gonna need is 1 cup of roasted coffee beans, half a cup of cardamom pods, and 2 pieces of cloves. First thing you do is you take the coffee beans and you add it to the spice blender and you blend it all together. After that, you take the cardamom pods and you add it to the spice blender and you blend it all together till you get it really, really smooth. So there are 2 ways to make this Arabic coffee. There's the modern way, which is where we use the strainer and add the coffee inside. Just makes it easier to clean afterwards. And there's the traditional way where we add the coffee directly in the pot and add the water. I'm gonna show you how to make it the traditional way. Okay. So the next thing you wanna do is bring a pot on medium-high heat and you add 1.5 liters of water. So then you take 2 spoons of the grinded coffee and you add it in the pot. After that, you take 1 spoon of the grinded cardamom pods and you add it to the pot. Finally, you take the 2 pieces of cloves and you add it to the pot. You want to cook it for around 30 minutes. So what I have done is taken the extra coffee and the cardamom pods that I have grinded and put them in 2 separate bottles. It just makes it easier later on whenever I want to make coffee. So this is an Arabic coffee pot, and what we usually do is we bring the Arabic coffee pot and you get a strainer and you put it on top and you're gonna add the Arabic coffee and strain it inside the pot. Take a spoon and you just press all the juices out and you throw this aside. Now our coffee is ready. So now the coffee is ready and all you have to do is just wait for your guests to come and serve them some really good homemade Arabic coffee. Obviously, you cannot drink this without some good dates. Reminds me of Mama. I hope you enjoyed watching me do Arabic coffee the easy way. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like and thumbs up down below. And don't forget to send your videos so I can post them in my next episode. See ya!